and today I'm going to show you how to prepare Mabuyu snack or Baobab snack. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do, we'll really appreciate. The ingredients that I'm going to use are a half kg of Baobab, a half cup of Baobab powder, 1 cup of sugar, vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon, and food color, a half teaspoon. Let's get to the next step. So in this step, I'm going to add 2 cups of water in my cooking pot. Then I add 1 cup of sugar. Then I add a half teaspoon of food color. I'm going to use red, but you can use any color of your choice. Then I'll mix everything together. Then I'll let it boil. So you can see it's boiling, but ensure that it doesn't become too sticky. I'm going to add the vanilla essence, and it's optional, you don't have to use it. And then I'll continue mixing. At this stage it's good to go, it's not so sticky, so I'll remove it and set it aside. At this stage I'm going to transfer the baobab on a bigger plate. I'll add my mixture bit by bit. As I turn. And then I'll add powder and continue mixing. At this stage, I'm going to still add the baobab powder. So after giving it a good mix, I'm going to add the syrup, all of it. I mix for the last time and then we get to the next step. So after mixing, this is how it looks. I'm going to put it on the sun for about 1 hour for it to dry. Then I will show you the end results. This is where I have transferred it. I'm going to set it in the sun for about 1 hour, then it will be ready. Here is our homemade baobab snack, or if you like Mabuyu. You can see how it looks. It's very yummy. It's a nice snack to take. You should try the recipe and let me know how it turned out. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.